Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're fine. So in this video, we're going to learn how to create a simple GUI calculator in Java. So let's get started. First of all, you have to click on this new project icon, select Java, Java application, next, and name your application. Okay, simple GUI calculator. Okay, so first of all, delete this main class. Okay, here we have to create a new JFrame form. Okay, create a GUI calculator. Finish. So you can see it's too simple to create a GI calculator using NetBeans IDE. Okay, simply have to drag and drop to create any type of view that you want. Okay, so first of all, take a label and put it here and name it as. So open properties, change the font size and font family. Okay, if you want, like I want to set it 48 bold. Okay, and you may change the color. Close it. So you have to extend the size, and you can see calculator. Now we have to take first number and the second number. Okay, so drag and drop a text field, take another, put it here, now take two label more, first one and this one is second one. Edit text to null. Okay, simply click on edit text and remove this text. Okay, and change the text of this label number 1 and this is number 2. Extend the size. That's all. Now what we have to do, we have to take buttons. Okay, edit text and plus, adjust its size like that. Okay, and simply press Ctrl D to duplicate and put it here. Select both and then press Ctrl D to duplicate. Okay, and our 4 buttons are ready. Edit text and minus, edit text, multiplication, and this one is division. Okay, division. So our 4 operations are ready. Now we have to show the result. Okay, so we have to take a label and put it here, edit text, result, and take one more label to show the result, edit text to null, Okay, extend the size, open properties, just add text 00 at the start. Change the color to green or any color that you want, and font size is 24, bold. Okay, close. So you may change this font size and font family same like that. 18, bold. Okay, color like that. Okay, close. So you can see our calculator design is ready. Now we have to change the variable names. Okay, we need to change only the input field's name. Okay, and this result variable name. So change variable name, result, change variable name, num1. Okay, and this is num2. That's all. Now what we do? Once we click on this plus button, we have to check if num1 dot get text, okay, dot equals null, or num2 dot get text dot equals null. We simply have to show a message box to user, please enter valid numbers. Okay, show message dialog. Okay, and first parameter is null, and here you have to show the message. Okay, like both inputs are required. Okay, otherwise we have to use a try catch block to prevent any mistake. Okay, and we simply need to copy this one and put it here, and here please enter valid number. That's all. Now what we have to do, we have to create two integer type or double type. Okay, because we also allow to enter floating point numbers to in our calculator. Okay, so it's double num, okay, n1, because num1 is already defined. Okay, so num1 dot get text. Okay, and we have to parse it. How can we parse? Simply type double, parse double. Okay, and here we have to pass the string. If any invalid input, it will throw an exception. Okay, and this is num2 and 2. uh, Result dot set text. What we have to show here, you simply need to n1 plus n2. You have to concatenate with this string. Okay, so you here you, this is where you can show the result. Okay, so first of all run this one and check if our sum is working or not. Okay, I think there is a problem here. We simply delete, but we have to modify here. Okay, so here we have to set which is our main class. So our main class is calculator. We have to run it again. Project properties. Okay, now run this again. So you can see this one is our output. Now here we'll be able to perform only sum here. We add two numbers plus, you can see if I enter an invalid, it will display a message. Okay, please enter valid number. So at this point our sum is completely working. See, 66.6. Now we simply need to copy this one and open the design part, and once click on minus, we simply change this operation. Okay, save it, multiplication, and last one is division. Okay, once you double click, you can see once you double click on this button, you will be at the implementation of that particular button. Okay, what's happened when once you click on that particular button? Okay, you have to tell here. So once this button get clicked, what's happened? Take these number inputs and perform division. Okay, that's all. So now you can see our calculator is ready. Division, multiplication, minus, and sum. Okay, hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel.